So today we're going to be making the ever so famous coconut jam thumbprint cookie, and these are so versatile. You can add chocolate to these, you could change up the jam filling. These will be a hit at your next party, I guarantee it. Now let's get started. To start these thumbprint cookies, I'm adding 3 sticks of room temperature softened butter to my bowl. I'm going to be creaming this together with 1 cup of sugar. I know it seems like a lot of butter, but these are shortbread cookies. They have such a light and delicate taste, which is why everybody always loves them. Now cream this butter together until the sugar is fully dissolved. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss out. I'm then going to be incorporating the vanilla extract and adding the last ingredient to this cookie dough, which is 3.5 cups of flour. This could be mixed by hand as well. It's a very foolproof recipe. Now once you're able to press the dough together to hold its shape, you're then going to shape these cookies into their balls about a tablespoon in size. Don't forget that the recipe is always listed down below in the description box. Once all of the balls are shaped up, you're gonna then pop this into the fridge for at least 10 minutes to firm back up all of that butter. And to finish these thumbprints off, I'm gonna be dipping each cookie into 1 beaten egg with 2 tablespoons of water added to it. These are then going to be covered in some shredded sweetened coconut. You're going to place the cookies onto a silicone or parchment lined baking sheet, and they don't need to be placed too far apart because they don't spread much while baking. This recipe makes about 35 cookies, but I made miniature ones for a party, which gave me 54 mini thumbprint cookies. I'm then going to be making a hole in the middle of the cookie. I'm using my pinky, not my thumb in this case, and this is where the fun begins. I'm going to be adding the jam in the middle. I really like using apricot or orange marmalade, but today I'm using a traditional raspberry jam with its seeds. Once they're all ready, they're going to get baked for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure the coconut gets all that beautiful toasted golden brown color because that will add to the flavor. These rich, buttery coconut shortbread thumbprint cookies are always without a doubt everybody's favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more quick recipes.